Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. Hello, you have logged into One India News and this is Mariam. BJP Chief Amit Shah, in a traditional Kerala dhoti, offered prayers this morning at the Raja Rajeshwari Temple in the northern district of Kannur before launching his party's Jan Raksha Yatra. In a direct challenge to Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, the BJP began its yatra in Payyannur, adjacent to his hometown Pinarayi in Kannur. Over the next 15 days, Amit Shah and other top BJP leaders and union ministers will relay walk along with hundreds of party workers across the state to the capital Thiruvananthapuram to highlight what the BJP calls the ruling CPM's murder politics. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, also the Hindutva face of the party, will reach Kannur tomorrow to participate in the yatra. Mr. Shah, who is in Kerala for 3 days, will address 2 public meetings and will walk 4 kilometers through Kannur. The BJP has said that the yatra will target jihadi red terror. The party alleges a spike in murderous attacks on its workers and members in the state by CPM since the party came to power in Kerala last year, claiming that 14 of its members have been killed since then in Kannur alone and 120 in all of Kerala since the year 2001. Hours before Mr. Shah launched the yatra, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan used a Facebook post to hit back at the BJP, saying, "The Sangh Parivar should not think that they can make inroads into Kerala by false propaganda. The state government is committed to ensure peace. Instead of fueling false stories and processions, people expect central ministers and ruling party leadership to control their workers and ensure peace." Well, the BJP has been a small player in Kerala politics for years, and it remains the only state where the party is yet to make significant electoral gains. But Amit Shah has been making focused efforts to gain a foothold ever since he took over as party chief in the year 2014. In last year's assembly elections, the party could win just a single seat in the 140-member Kerala Assembly. But Mr. Shah wants to change that, preferably before the 2019 national election, when he hopes Kerala will contribute to a BJP return to power. The party has never won a parliament seat from Kerala. Kannur for years has witnessed clashes, especially between left activists and those of the BJP and its ideological mentor, the RSS. As per the Crime Bureau statistics, 45 CPM activists, 44 of BJP, 15 of the Congress, and 4 from the Muslim League have been killed since 1991 in Kannur. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News.